Hi, welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. If you're subscribed, thank you so much for coming back to watch this video. If you are not subscribed, I hope you will enjoy this and to subscribe to my channel. I like to do Dollar Tree hauls, unboxings, crafting, just different things on this channel. Today, I just want to come and I want to apologize to my friend, Miss J00. I left her comment out, her name out of my giveaway, and I feel so terrible, and she was not worried about it at all, but I want to make that up to her because she should definitely be included. She is a great supporter to my channel. She's a great friend off of the channel, and I want to make that up to her. I feel terrible. And I am just hoping I didn't leave anybody else out because it just really made me so sad. I'm pretty sure I got everybody else. I don't know what happened. I was going off my phone for the comment. Usually I go on my computer and get the comments, and I was going off my phone when I wrote the list down. Well, I didn't write the list. I went to my notes in my phone, put all the names in there then so I could print it off, and so I think that's what happened, and I just feel terrible. But anyway, so I would like to ask you all for a favor, and in return I am going to have a giveaway for, let's just do a $15 gift card, Starbucks card, or Dunkin', or something like that. The winner can get with me and we can decide what we're going to do. But you must be a subscriber to my channel, and you must go and subscribe to Miss J's channel and leave a comment in her comments. And please stay subscribed to Miss J's channel. If you're not going to enjoy her channel and stay subscribed, please do not enter or subscribe. But I know you will if you enjoy crafting. She is just an amazing crafter. She's so sweet. I think everybody will enjoy her channel so much. But if you could do that, then I'll enter you into it. If we get enough people in it, then I may go ahead and do like another, add another prize or something to have a second winner. It just depends on how many people go and subscribe to her channel. And if something would happen, because YouTube, if somebody gets a good bit of subscribers in one day, YouTube has a way of trying to take them away. So I will try to check on that and make sure that you're still subscribed, and leave you a comment so you can make sure that you're still subscribed to her channel, in the next couple of days. So if you do that, yeah, we'll have that giveaway. It'll probably be about a week before I would draw the winners for this. I have some other stuff that I've got to get out first. Miss J, please accept my apology. I would never do that to anybody on purpose, especially her. I just enjoy her so much. She's such a great friend. So I want to show you all this real quick because I need to use this. I've been meaning to show you. My friend, I will link Mrs. J's channel down in the description. And then also Crafty Pen Pal Mama, she showed this on her channel from Temu, and this has been a while back. I've had this for a while and have not even tried it. This is one of those thermal printers, and I can't even remember who it was I ordered this from. I wish I had seen the one on Temu first and tried it, because it was much cheaper than this one was. Who is this? This says Faux Memo. I can't remember who it was that I ordered this from. I'll put the link down in the description too from this if I can find it in my emails. I think I paid through this through PayPal, so I should be able to find it through PayPal. But anyway, this is, so I ordered this, and I don't think it came, oh, I guess it did come with some paper. So this is like sticker, right? But anyway, I wanted to show you all this because Whoops. Oh, maybe watch me tear it up, because I need to use this. So you charge it evidently through here. Okay, so that's charging. I ordered this paper with it. Different color paper, but I don't think this is stickers. So this is just paper. Oh, that smells good. I don't know why. It smells good. Like, it smells like Play-Doh. Do y'all love the smell of Play-Doh? I absolutely love the smell of Play-Doh. When the grandkids get their Play-Doh out and play with it. Well, this came with the blue, yellow, and pink. This didn't come with this. I had to order this separately. I think and this was like, I think I got like 20% off. I found this on Instagram. I think I got 20% off my order. So do you Bluetooth this? Yeah, so you Bluetooth. So this will be fun. You can Bluetooth images, sentiments, you know, just whatever. This is my first thermal printer, so I'll have to play with this and see. I'm hoping to use this for a project tomorrow. I'm going to let that charge, and then I just want to share this with you all and show you how pretty it was. I love the color of it, and it does have, what'd that say, a year warranty. I'm not going to be able to show you how it works because I should have charged it before I put this video up. I'm going to have this video up tonight, I think. 100% guaranteed 1-year warranty. This says contact with Amazon customer service. I didn't order this from Amazon. I'll try to find out who I ordered this through. Well, they have different ones too. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it works out. All right. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to go subscribe to Miss J and enter this giveaway. And I appreciate you all so much. Give me about a week. And this is open to international friends that are friends of the channel, that I know. And of course, my Canadian friends, which I think there's only a couple that watch my channel from Canada. So you can enter this challenge too. Giveaway challenge. So all right, I appreciate y'all so much. I hope you have a great morning, noon, afternoon, night, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you have a great week ahead. Thanks so much. Bye bye.